Hey there, all you wonderful Korean learners. Welcome back to How to Say It in Korean. I'm Jongak. Today we will learn how to say I miss you in Korean. This is another phrase that has several different ways that you can say it in Korean. So let's learn one of the more common ways, which is 보고 싶어요. Let's first practice the pronunciation of 보고 싶어요. 보고 싶어요. 보고 싶어요. 보고 싶어요 is a simple Korean phrase that you can use with most people. For people you're really close with, like your boyfriend or girlfriend. You can talk more informally by dropping the yo at the end and just saying 보고 싶어. You're showing that you're closer with that person than most people. You can also use 너무 to express you really miss them. Or you can double it and tell them you miss them so much. 너무 보고 싶어. Or 너무 보고 싶어. Now that you know how to say I miss you in Korean, get out there and let your family and friends know how much you miss them. If you're interested in learning more Korean using a fun and easy method, visit us at 90daykorean.com to get more great Korean lessons. Thanks for watching! 너무 보고 싶어!